Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what could be the best bar equipment for your home, the complete cocktail shaker kit. If you enjoy hosting gatherings or simply want to elevate your drink-making game, this kit might just be the perfect addition to your home bar. This cocktail shaker set comes equipped with everything you need to mix and serve an impressive range of cocktails. Featuring high-quality materials and sleek designs, each piece not only looks great but also enhances functionality. The set includes a shaker, jigger, strainer, and more, all organized in a stylish acrylic rotating stand. Let's start with the shaker. Its sturdy construction ensures a solid seal, allowing for vigorous shaking without worrying about spills. Whether you're mixing a vibrant margarita or a classic martini, this shaker is versatile enough to tackle any cocktail recipe. This kit also includes a measuring jigger, which eliminates guesswork in cocktail crafting. Accurate measurements are crucial for achieving the perfect balance of flavors in your drinks, and with this jigger, precision is at your fingertips. Next, we have the strainer. This little tool is essential when you want to filter out ice and pulp from your cocktails, ensuring a smooth final drink. Its design also makes it easy to use, allowing you to focus on enjoying the experience rather than struggling with messy pours. But it's not just about the tools, it's about the experience. This cocktail shaker set makes the whole drink-making process enjoyable and engaging. Impress your guests as you craft unique cocktails right in front of them. Plus, the stylish rotating stand keeps everything organized and accessible, adding a touch of sophistication to your bar setup. Whether you're a seasoned mixologist or just starting your cocktail-making journey, this kit provides a perfect blend of style, practicality, and quality. It's truly designed to cater to all levels of expertise. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best bar equipment for your home, this cocktail shaker kit is a fantastic choice. With its complete range of essential tools, you'll be well on your way to mastering the art of mixology. So why wait? Elevate your home bar experience today. Thank you for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more product reviews, and let us know in the comments how you like to mix your cocktails at home. Cheers!